Let's learn about double reflections. Reflect the point 6, negative 5 across both the x-axis and the y-axis. What is the final position of the point? Let's get a graph here of this. So we have our xy plane right here, xy. Our point is 6, negative 5. So x is a positive 6 right here and a negative 5 down here. So we have that point here, 6, negative 5. We want to do a reflection across the x-axis and the y-axis. So we reflect across the x-axis. The x value actually stays the same, but the y value is what changes. And it's going to be the opposite of negative 5, which is a positive 5. So we go up here, right there, and we're reflecting across the x-axis, flipping it up, almost like we're folding a piece of paper with it on. And that point here is 6, positive 5. Then from there, that point, we want to reflect that over the y-axis. So we take the point, go over the y-axis. Y value stays the same. X is what changes. It's the opposite of the x value, which is a negative 6 right here. So it's like a piece of paper this way, flipping. And we have that point right here, which is a negative 6, positive 5. And so our final position of the point is negative 6, positive 5. I hope you learned something here about double reflections, and as always, thanks for watching.